Well, Bob, we hear it was a nice sunset.
Yeah, beautiful sunset out there on the bay. We had some interesting cloud formations. You know, the old storms had dissipated and the sky lit up pink after the sun had gone down. Yeah, it's unbelievable. We had higher humidity around too. Here's a look at the Punta Gorda webcam. Notice at around 7 o'clock, 7:30 or so, there comes a line of showers. Yes, blowing up across Charlotte Harbor. One time there was a special marine advisory due to the heavy storms. There's that color I mentioned. This one from Val sending this one in on the Suncoast. Appears to be siesta right there, and the sun had set already, but the upper level clouds were still being reflected, I guess, so the sunlight reflecting off those, creating that gorgeous color that you see right there. Well, the radar review showing the showers around, not everyone getting the rainfall, but boy, where they did, it did come down fairly heavy at times, continuing to wind on down as it heads off to the west. Yes, it's more of a normal pattern than we saw over the past couple of days. Showers and storms will be with us. They'll be scattered about. Your neighbor may get some rain and you may not. That's the way it goes sometimes in the summer months. And Wauchula just to the southwest, a line of showers there winding down as well. Rainfall amounts in Lakewood Ranch up past a half inch, and you can see lesser amounts, but still some near Bayshore Gardens and the airport also picking up a little bit of rainfall today. And some light rain still lingering there at the airport. 81 degrees, dew point 74. That's 10 degrees warmer than it was at this time yesterday, and will pretty much stay right there into the mid 70s as far as the dew point goes right through the weekend. We have an east to northeast wind now at 7 miles an hour. The high was above average at 90, and the low this morning was right at it at 74 degrees. 62 is the record set back in 1976. And a third of an inch of rain, just over that, at the Sarasota-Brayton Airport. Our monthly total now is well above average, and looks like we'll add to that through the next several days. 72 in Jacksonville, 79 in Orlando. It's still pretty warm in Key West at 84 degrees, and 84 still in Cortez and Braden Beach. Temperatures all in the low 80s right now, although Northport at 78 and 76 now in Punta Gorda. And it looks like lows tonight will be a little bit warmer than the past couple of nights, just slightly above average. 76 at Longboat Key, same in Anna Maria, 75 in Braden, and 74 Lakewood Ranch. Sebring and also Wauchula and Arcadia still in the low 70s there. So we can say goodbye to the 60s for a while anyway, and maybe for the next several months. It's very unusual to get dew points in the 60s during the summer months. Well, the RPM forecast model, which is the rapid precision mesoscale model that we have and we use, and it really shows you a little bit more detail as to what's going on. We'll see showers and storms popping up as the sea breeze starts tomorrow at around 1:30, 2 o'clock, but then mainly late afternoon and evening is when these storms will start to work their way back toward the coast, similar to what we saw today. And it looks like Friday, Saturday, and Sunday we'll see more of the same showers and storms kind of developing along the sea breeze front and having a tendency to push off toward the coast later on in the evening. The tropics, all is fairly quiet right now. Some models, again, hinting at something in about 8 days from now coming up from the Caribbean, but that's a long way off. We kind of discount that until we get closer to it, and we'll know have a better handle on that by midweek next week. But for the time being, a lot of tropical moisture in the western Caribbean, an upper level low spinning over the southwest Bay of Campeche there, the southwest Gulf of Mexico. Well, it's still hot in Kansas City and St. Louis and Dallas, but the hottest region in the desert, 105 in Phoenix right now. Los Angeles a bit cooler as the air coming in off the Pacific. Southeast winds turn to the west, not much. A light chop of the bays and inland waters. Boating conditions should stay relatively nice right through the weekend, with the exception of those afternoon and evening storms. Water temperature at 86 degrees, and the upcoming tide will be at 4:20. A low tide at 8:35 tomorrow morning. Sunrise at 6:37. Showers ending, partly cloudy skies, and for the remainder of the overnight, it will be warmer, 75. And then tomorrow, mainly afternoon and evening storms scattered about. Not everyone will get the rain. 90 degrees. The extended forecast calling for typical late June weather. We'll see showers and storms right on in through the next 7 days with high temperatures right around 90.